Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to create simple printables in Canva that you can actually sell on Etsy. It's easier than most people think. And yeah, by the end, you'll know how to design, export, and upload your product. All right, first thing, decide what kind of printable you want to make. Etsy buyers love planners, habit trackers, checklists, wall art, wedding templates, all that good stuff. Choose one category and keep it simple for your first product. So now open Canva and start a new design. For printables, the safest size is letter paper, 8.5 by 11 inches. If you're selling art, you can use a ratio like 2 by 3 or 4 by 5. Next, add your layout. Canva has a ton of templates you can remix. Just don't copy anything exactly because Etsy requires original designs. Add text boxes, shapes, lines. Keep it clean and easy to read. Now customize it. Change the fonts, switch up the colors, adjust spacing. Use soft neutral colors if you want a minimalist look. Those sell super well. And yeah, make sure everything lines up nicely so it looks professional. When you're done, export the file as a high-quality PDF. Choose PDF print and set the quality to the maximum. This keeps the text sharp when buyers print it at home. Last step, upload it to Etsy. Create a new digital listing, add a title with keywords like printable planner or minimalist wall art, then upload your PDF. Add a few preview images so your listing stands out. And that's pretty much it. You now have a printable ready to sell on Etsy, which is honestly a great low-effort way to start earning online. If you want more Canva or Etsy tutorials, feel free to check out the next videos.